How to batch edit photos using preset. First of all, open the Lightroom app and select the first photo you want to edit. Apply your chosen preset from the library by tapping it. Fine-tune any settings if needed, including exposure, contrast, highlight, shadows, clarity, and color adjustment. Once your first photo is perfectly edited, tap the Copy Settings option. Then go back to the photo library and select all the other photos you want to apply the same preset to. Tap Paste Settings and the preset along with your adjustments will be applied to all selected photos at once. This method allows you to maintain a consistent style across multiple images, whether it's for travel photography, portrait, or social media content. Now you know how to batch edit photos using preset. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.